Can I have my noodles? Are you mad I brought a baby to your house? That?
No, you jumped over these.
You know you can't be. you know. Stop.
Stop.
Shimmy.
Let me hear a
You wanna play?
Izzy! Are you stuck?
You get out.
Para que haga su chamba con una mariposa. What are you doing in here?
I'm just hugging him, man.
You gotta do it.
Elby! Let go, Elby!
Gospel.
Oh God! That is moving! That's bad. Don't do that.
Oh. The cat got his fucking head stuck in the chair.
Hey, Spicy?
The freaking...
You're so cute. Are you hungry? Oh, fuck.
This is my meat.
She
você não parar, eu vou chamar o Bolsonaro.
Catnip. Was it you?
Don't do that.
What's your
Oh my god. Oh.
Blue! No! Oh no.
Hey! Let's see a handstand. Damn straight. Beautiful.
Mila! Mila!
Is there a wild animal in our house?
Really careful. Not yet. Roger.
Stop. Stop. Dude. Give me the... Come here.
Oh, stop it.
Are you ugly on purpose?
I thought.
Kermit, I love you.
Do you like it? No, no.
I mean, guys, sorry, the cats are doing something stupid again, and that's just.
Non. Non, non, tu recommences pas.
This is Howl, and we're going to test to see if we can survive a quiet place.
How about we just like...
not hold it in anymore. I just wanna...
Don't tell me he's in it.
Ice, ice, baby. What are you doing?
You're under arrest. Put your hands up.
Go, go.
This is my cat, Mimi. She loves me. Poppy, poppy, pop, poppy, pop, poppy. That's a sin. No. I don't like it. Oh.
Krijgde.
You wanna go out? Hold on. Wanna go out?
How dare you? What is wrong with that cat?
Okay. No.
To sit like that.
Are you stuck?